Today, I'm diving into the top 3 stocks I'm buying in 2025. First up, we have Coca Cola. Why am I buying Coca Cola in 2025? Well, for starters, their strong brand recognition and global presence make them a reliable choice. Coca Cola has consistently delivered dividends, making it a great option for incoming investors. With their commitment to sustainability and innovation, I believe they're well positioned for future growth. Next on my list is JEPQ, the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. This fund focuses on generating income through equity investments while also providing some downside protection. In a volatile market, having a stock that balances risk and reward is crucial. Last but not least, we have JEPI, the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. Similar to JEPQ, JEPI aims to provide income through equity investments, but it focuses on large cap US stocks. In 2025, I believe JEPI will continue to attract investors looking for a blend of growth and income, especially in uncertain market conditions. Its focus on high quality companies gives it a solid foundation for long term success. So, there you have it, my top 3 stocks for 2025: Coca Cola, JEPQ, and JEPI. Each of these investments offer unique benefits, whether it's stability, income generation, or growth potential. Remember, it's essential to do your own research and consider your financial goals before investing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What stocks are you looking at for 2025? Drop your picks in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.